guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stylish KENNA here, and I'm back again with another video. And if you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you are the real MVP, a real stylish pearl, welcome back to the channel. This will be just a little, little video. Get right to the video. I will be applying my wig unit. You guys can see that I'm not in my same environment that I normally shoot my videos and stuff like that. If you haven't figured it out by now, and I'm sure you guys will be able to tell from the video and then the video that came out before this one. So yeah, if you haven't checked that video out, make sure you check that video out, and then you guys will be able to see where I'm at and let me know what type of videos and content you guys want to see while I'm here. Only two colors that the hair store had. I normally go with a darker color than this. The hair store only had these colors. I kind of go with another color in between, but I think I'm gonna go with this one today for the sake of this video. This, plug this up. I like to mix my two got-to-be's. I ordered this from Amazon, and I like to got-to-be spray, but I feel like this one holds way more. It holds your wigs. This kind of holds your curls better, a little bit more. Yeah, so I recommend this one for laying this down in your wigs. So guys, I am back, and you guys, I already mowed down my wig and cap. So basically you guys have already seen me mow down, do this little step so many times. I didn't have to kind of show you guys this same step right now because I done showed y'all so many times how I put on my cap. So first thing first, let's go ahead and get right into the wig. This wig unit is from Stylish KENNA wig unit. My wig unit, you guys, make sure you guys check that out. I'll leave that down in the description bar, also across the screen, so you guys can check out my wig collection. And yeah, you guys, I have frontal lace wig unit that comes bleach and pre-plucked for you to purchase and apply on as soon as you get it. You guys don't have to pretty much pluck or anything or bleach your knots, because they will be done when you receive your wig units. And I have affordable deals for bomb wig units, so make sure you guys check out my wig. So this is the Danny loose wave wig, and you guys, I love my loose wave texture. You guys, this is one of my favorite wigs, along with the Amani wig and the Vicky wig. This is another one of my fave, you guys, a loose wave. Love this unit, and this is a 22-inch. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to be applying that wig onto my head today for this video, and I'm about to show you guys how I put my wig on. So pretty much all of your wigs gonna come, you can either get adjustable strap, or you can also get combs. I have two combs on the side and also a comb in the back. And yeah, you guys, I'm going to go ahead. Y'all, when I tell you this wig is the bomb, like, when I feel like this is dry. So I'll take this off and then I'll show you guys how I style my loose wave. Welcome back. I end up falling asleep. Today is a new day for this video, and yeah, you guys, so I didn't even cut off the lace on this unit. So I'm not So you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little, you know, get ready with me hair wig installment with Glueless. As you guys can see, this was a glueless wig, easy to apply on. And yeah, that is it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.